What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and this is for all my gamers out there because we're going to be checking out the latest Xbox gaming accessories from OtterBox that I have all laid out right here. And big thanks to OtterBox for sponsoring this video, and I know that there is going to be something here for everyone that loves to game. Now all these bad boys right in front of me really bridge the gap between console and mobile gaming experiences, whether you're gaming at home or gaming on the go. Now first up, right over here, this is their AntiMicro Easy Grip controller shell designed for the Xbox Series X and S controller. Now it's a shell that snaps right on and it gives you two grip options that adds durability, they reduce sweat buildup, and they have a no slip grip. I really like the texture that it adds to the controller, which is normally more slippery. And then out of the two options, I prefer the larger rubber grooves on them. Also, if you have bigger hands, you might like the extra mass that this adds to the controller as well. Now it comes in three color options. This is the Dreamscape White on a black controller and it retails for $39.95. Okay, next up is the mobile gaming clip. We see it right here that works on Xbox Series X and S controllers, Xbox One, and Xbox Elite Wireless Series 2 controllers. It's a clip that attaches to your controller on the front, and then it has this adjustable arm that holds your phone in place. Now this is really a killer combo for a console controller feel while playing your games on your phone. It also works together with the Easy Grip controller shell that I showed you earlier, but the mobile gaming clip is also handy because iOS 14.5 now supports the Xbox Series X and S controllers to play your favorite mobile games. So this is why I call it the killer combination. Now also, if you have your Xbox set up for remote play, you can play Xbox games directly on your phone screen while using the Xbox controller in your own home. And then if you're lucky enough to get access to the Xbox Cloud Gaming, this also works with that too. Now the mobile gaming clip is $29.95, but it has one more trick up its sleeve because you can actually detach it and use it as a stand for your phone on its own, so that's pretty slick. All right, the third OtterBox gaming accessory that complements the first two is their gaming carry case. This is right here, and this is a travel case that keeps really everything together and can hold a controller with the Easy Grip shell, and then also the mobile gaming clip folded all the way down inside of here for $44.95. This is a durable shell that's hard and really water resistant. It also has two features. There's a built-in stand on here, so if I just kind of like flap this up, it allows you to rest your phone on this case to use it. And then there's also back here, there's an access port that allows you to charge your controller on the go. You plug it in through here if you need to as well. So really, you take this case, you take the mobile gaming clip, and then you take the shell. These three accessories, they all kind of work together whether you're gaming with a console or you're a mobile gamer using your phone. Now OtterBox also has two more accessories specifically for the iPhone over here. We got the Easy Grip gaming case that has their certified Drop Plus protection that goes through 24 plus rigorous tests. Now this case is designed to expel heat and decrease the risk of your phone overheating while you're putting in those long gaming sessions. It also has anti-slip grip edges, so it's made to be handheld, and it retails for $54.95. And if you don't want anyone looking over at your screen on the side, check out their gaming glass privacy guard that you will apply on top of your screen. It has anti-scratch tech for durability. It keeps your gameplay private for you, and it's also shatter resistant for $49.95. So these are all accessories geared for console gamers on the Xbox or mobile gamers with their phones. So whether you're gaming at home or gaming on the go, OtterBox is bringing you the goods.